Hey everybody, welcome again to another episode of Cooking with Zero. So this coronavirus, it's serious, right? And I've been locked in my house for a long time now, and I want some ice cream. I want something good. However, I don't want to go to the store because it's crazy out there. So I'm gonna show y'all how to make homemade ice cream. This is gonna take maybe 10 to 15 minutes. You might already have all the ingredients that you need at your house. For all of y'all that are stuck at home with kids and they need projects to do, why don't you just have them make ice cream for you? So things that you'll need milk. It doesn't have to be dairy. As you can see, I'm using almond milk, but you can also use regular milk. I've done this with soy milk, almond milk, and regular dairy milk. Whole milk works best, but you could also use 2%. I wouldn't recommend using 1 or skim milk. You're also going to need some type of sweetener. I have real honey from bees, powdered sugar. You can use regular sugar. You can use agave. You can use syrup if you want. Some kind of flavor if you want to add flavor, unless you like bland ice cream. If you do, then don't add any flavor. I have some vanilla extract. I'm gonna use some salt as well. You're gonna need ice. You're gonna need small sandwich bags and a bigger, gallon size bag, and measuring utensils, right? It's gonna be pretty easy. Let's get to it. So I'm not gonna do a lot of ice cream. I'm just gonna do, a little bit. It's just for me. So I'm going to do only a half a cup of milk. For every half a cup that I use, I like to add a 1/4 teaspoon. Oops. So if you're doing a full cup of ice cream, it's a half teaspoon, right? Okay. Flavor done. 1 full tablespoon of sweetener. And honestly, you guys, this is about being creative. It takes maybe 10 minutes to make this stuff. So, use your base ingredients, and if you don't like it, tweak the recipe and redo it. I'm gonna put it in the small bag. This bag has a little bit of ice in it. More ice going in. And here's where we use our salt. If you have rock salt works best. I don't. Here comes the real trick. Shake it. So I'm gonna shake for about 2 minutes, and then we'll see the consistency of it. So it got a little cold. It gets really cold. So here we go. And you'll notice as you're shaking, you will feel the little bag of ice cream start to get hard, and it'll feel like a solid mass. Am I jiggling? Am I jiggling when I shake? No. Let's check this out. Let's check out the progress. Might want to zoom in. Look at that. 2 minutes. I'm going to shake it maybe another minute, another 2 minutes. Oh wow, I could feel it. I could feel that it's stiffened. All right, that was a total of 4 minutes of shaking. Let's take a look at how this looks. All right. That's a good consistency. All right. Now, will it look exactly like store-bought ice cream? No, obviously it's homemade, right? This ice cream right here has probably it's the consistency of in between frozen yogurt. It's probably in between frozen yogurt and ice cream. but this is because of the type of ingredients that I'm using. If you use a dairy product, remember I'm using almond milk, but if you use a dairy product and a liquid sweetener, you'll have more of the actual ice cream texture, right? But hey, in a pinch, if you want to avoid that virus and not have to go to the store, this is good stuff. Let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah. It took me like 7 minutes to get all the ingredients together and make this. For a quick fix of ice cream, if you don't want to go out there to the store, you know, to the meat market jungle right now, this is a good fix. Alrighty, so that was it. I've had a lot of positive feedback regarding these Cooking with Zero episodes. So I'm gonna have a Facebook page coming up pretty soon, probably a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna start making more of these. Probably 2 videos a week, maybe 2 to 3 videos a week, right? I like to cook, you know. If you guys have any ideas for any recipes that y'all want me to do, y'all send them to me via Messenger or just comment. Please like and share this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you don't like it, it's okay. I'll make another video going like that one.